Hi, this is Mark Brookshire, founder of Stock-Trak. In August of last year, we released a new version of our Stock-Trak.com website to provide the professors a lot more administrative controls over the site and to provide a much better user experience for the students. All of our U.S. equities and options and most of our future trades are now in real-time bid-ask, and our portfolio revaluations are done every few minutes, so your students no longer have to wait to the end of the day to see their updated class ranking. The first thing you'll need to do, if you haven't done so already, is create your professor username and password. Click on this link up here, Professor Register Your Class. Read the nice little letter there from me, and come down and create a username and password. Of course, I need your email address and other things like that. Hit submit, and then once you've created your username and password, come over to the login button and type in the username you just created. I'm going to log in as Professor Brookshire. And here's some neat things you'll notice right off the bat. Number one, as a professor, you'll have an admin function that'll allow you to create new classes and view your classes. Number two, you'll have the ability to upload a school logo, pictures, or whatever to provide your students a much more unique feel for Stock-Trak. And number three, there's a message from your professor. You can update this message 24/7 to remind your students of important assignments, tests, or whatever you want to communicate to them. To create your first class, come to the admin, click on Register New Class. Here you'll choose the number of weeks you want to allow your students to trade. And what's new with this platform is that we have class names or class codes. Example, Georgia Tech Finance 401 Fall 09 or Spring 2010. This is a unique code that professors will set up so that I can know which class students are registering for. I also need to know the name of the class, the textbook, and then author of the textbook. This is important because a lot of textbooks out there have coupons in them, and when your students register, I need to know if they might have a coupon so I can prompt them to enter a coupon code. You also select the position limit, minimum price for buying, minimum price for shorting, trading period dates. You now choose the commission structure. You choose whether or not you want to allow them to sell short, allow them to day trade, or if you want to prevent them from trading on margin, you do so there. You also determine what types of securities you want your students to trade. Stocks, options, mutual funds, bonds, spots, futures, future options. And then on the equity side, I need to know if you want to, what exchanges you want to allow your students to trade. Once you hit submit, it'll generate an HTML link. It'll be on the page that you get and will also email it to you. I strongly encourage you to go to your email platform right now and allow it to receive all emails from Stock-Trak.com. We send you a lot of updates, and so many professors say they never get our emails because they're going into their spam folder. So what you'll do is take that HTML email link and email it to your students. It'll contain that class code that you just set up, like Georgia Tech Finance 401 in it. The students just click on that link and that'll bring them to this page. Students, open your account, and it will pre-populate that class code for them so we know exactly which class they're registering for, what the fee is, and if they might have a coupon. Of course, if it doesn't work, they can always just type in that class code that you just established. To view your class, you come back around to the View Class. If you have more than one class, you toggle the class that you want to view, and then you choose the date, hit go, and this will create the standard account ranking that you used to see, and you'll be able to click on the user's name and view details of their trading positions. This is how you monitor your students' trades. We no longer email you statements each Monday, instead you generate them yourself. You click on the export account statements, or you click on export here for your class rankings, and it'll dump those files into an Excel sheet for you. Also under the admin, under the edit profile, this is where you can have fun with the site and upload your own university logo. You change your name, email, etc. if there's a mistake. And of course, the new feature down at the bottom, custom message. This is how you update that welcome message the students see every time they log in to remind them of assignments or something you might have given them. Those are some of the neat features of Stock-Trak. And as always, if you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and call us or email us. Thanks for using Stock-Trak. We try our best to make it the #1 portfolio simulation available to college students.